All right, it's October 19th, 2016, and we're just putting together CloudCoin and the RADA servers, but I wanted to have a authenticity detection system available just so that people can start using the coins and knowing what they are. Now, this is a very beta service right now, and it's not for the public use. It's just for our internal organization so that we all know how it works and that we can test the system. And so in order to get to this, you want to go to our development site, which is cloudcoin.co. I should have this on the cloudcoin.global site within a few days, but you'll go to services and detect authenticity. When we go to this page, the page will automatically contact the 25 RADA servers that we have right now and just see that we have connectivity. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, detect authenticity. You can see that there's a box for every server, and as they are connected, they will turn green. They start off gray, they turn red, and then they, as they go along, they will turn green. Now here you can see that not all of the servers were available, and so server number 18 was not there. And because server 18 was not there, it could be that we're not going to be able to use server number 18. However, we can check the connections again, and maybe 18 will be there. So I'll go ahead and check it again. And nope, doesn't look like 18 is going to be around. So that means that we're not going to be able to authenticate with 18, and we can expect to have errors with that. But we don't need all 25. I'm going to go ahead and load some of my CloudCoins into my browser. Hit this choose file. Here's my CloudCoins. You'll notice that they're all encrypted using Microsoft's encryption, and so if I log into my Windows operating system with a strong password, I should feel safe that if somebody steals my computer, they're not going to be able to get my CloudCoins. Now, I'd want to back these up as well, but I'm just going to go ahead and load pretty much everything I've got. There's a lot, these are all prototypes, and as they load up, you can see that each one of them, I'll be able to look at it, and if it is a perfect brand new CloudCoin, I should see it all green like this. This means that the last good status was all good. Here's a CloudCoin that I've been working with, and it's got one server that the last time it was checked, that was bad. We can take a look at the image of it. We can also see what's internal to that CloudCoin. So this is network 1, denomination 250, and it shows the serial number, and that should match what's on the picture, at least for now. In the future, people can have whatever pictures they want to on these things. I can also inspect this CloudCoin, and I can see internally what's there, and I can see the authenticity numbers. All right, now these are my CloudCoins. I'm the only one that knows what those authenticity numbers are because I'm the only one that's got it. However, I might want to buy something, and that means giving ownership of these CloudCoins to somebody else. So I might email it to somebody. So here I am, I'm the owner. I email these CloudCoins to someone else. Now they get them, and I'm offering ownership to them. And so now they get to see all of the authenticity numbers that are in there. Well, they don't have to look at them, they just have them. Now we both have them. Now what they can do is they can go to this site, the authenticity detector, and they can take ownership. And when they do that, that's going to swap all of the numbers that I know about with all the numbers that only they know about. So they're going to create new numbers that only they know about. And then when I go to use these CloudCoins, I'm not going to be able to because they would be counterfeit at that point. And so they're going to have the only ownership over this. And then, so it's up to them. If they want to be the owner of these CloudCoins, they have to then take ownership of them. And that means contacting all of the RADA servers and changing those numbers over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take ownership. When I take ownership, you can see that things start turning gray, and things will change colors, as the servers go out and start contacting all of the RADA servers. So one of the things that I've got to add is spinners so that you can see that there's actually work being done. Right now, this is pure beta. This is going to be, you know, a million times better once we actually get some dedicated programmers, which we have. But right now, not a lot seems to be going on. Okay, well, nothing seems to be happening with that CloudCoin, and so I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page, and I'm going to try to reload that coin up. I'm just going to load up the one, number 5, and I'm going to check the authenticity. And when you check the authenticity, it's going to go out and it's going to just replace the numbers. So it's not going to actually generate new numbers. It's just going to replace the existing numbers, and that takes away some of the dangers, I guess, of taking ownership. Now here it says that my server number 10 had an issue. I'm going to click OK, and so everything's got a thumb up that says that those authenticity numbers are good, and it says that I own this. And I can try to repair number 10 by clicking on it. When I do, it tries to repair it, but since that server's down, it can't. Now once the server does go back up, I can click on it and it will repair that server. Now I want to exchange all of the authenticity numbers that were there before with new ones so that I can transfer ownership. So I'm going to go ahead and try to take ownership. Okay, so it's still, we have number 10 that's having a problem, and it goes ahead and changes all the numbers. Now they're all green. Now what I need to do is I need to save it. I'll go ahead and click Save, and now I've saved that money. If I forget to save it, I've lost the money because it's changed it, but unless I actually record it, I'm going to lose it. Now in future software, we're going to have it so it saves automatically, and or at least has a backup or something like that. And in the future software, there's going to be more status of what's going on. So if it turns gray and nothing seems to be happening, at least you know it's happening. So that's you can expect some glitchy software at this point. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page and try another coin. And I'll choose coin number 3. Okay, so here is a brand new coin. I don't think it's ever been checked before. I'm going to go ahead and take ownership. It goes out, tells me number 10's bad, and now it says you now own this. Now again, we have to save it, because if we don't, we're going to lose that. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. So that is, in a nutshell, how we take ownership and authenticate our money, and we'll have much better software in the future, but this is just the beta start. Thank you.